Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Narayan Khade, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology, late Pushpadev Patil Arts and Science College, Risod. Today just we have to discuss the that is the point, that is the RNA. Here we can say that the chemistry of RNA, that is the nature, it includes types and structure. We detail discuss in this video lecture. Just first of all, what is the RNA? RNA means ribonucleic acid. What is the main function of RNA? It carries the genetic information, it carries the genetic message from DNA to the ribosome, and it involved in the process of protein synthesis. This is the main function of ribonucleic acid, or we can say that the RNA. Ribonucleic acid is one of the two types of nucleic acid found in all cells, and the RNA is similar to the DNA but containing the ribose in place of deoxyribose and uracil in place of थायमिन. RNA आणि DNA याच्यामध्ये जर आपण फरक बघितला तर ते म्हणजे एक ऑक्सिजनचा म्हणजे डिऑक्सिरायबोज आणि एक म्हणजे युरॅसिलचा. ओके. RNA is a nucleic acid polymer consisting of nucleotide monomer that acts as a messenger between the DNA and ribosome, and is also responsible for making a protein out of amino acids. Some viruses use RNA instead of DNA as their genetic information. Okay. Viruses they use करते RNA instead of DNA as a genetic material. Main features of RNA म्हणजे आपण लोकेशन जर बघितलं तर in eukaryotic RNA is found in both in nucleus as well as in cytoplasm. Okay. Mm, Whereas in cytoplasm is found in ribosome, in prokaryotes it is found in the cytoplasm. Okay. आपल्याला असं म्हणता येईल. Synthesis RNA synthesis takes place in the nucleus on DNA template. After synthesis, it moves from the nucleus to cytoplasm. Thus, the RNA usually does not have self-duplication property. It in certain viruses like TMV and lentigovirus, RNA can synthesize another RNA molecule. Then size, RNA molecule is much smaller in size than DNA. It consists up to 12,000 nucleotides, whereas DNA consists up to 4.3 million nucleotides. Types, there are different forms of RNA such as mRNA, messenger RNA, rRNA, ribosomal RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, or we can say that soluble RNA. Okay. Ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA contain about 98% of the total RNA. All the three forms of the RNA are synthesized on DNA template. तिन्ही RNA हे DNA template वर synthesis होतात. rRNA म्हणजे ribosome RNA, tRNA means transfer RNA, they are 98% to the similar constitute to the total of RNA. Function in most of the organisms, the usual function of RNA is transfer of the genetic message from nucleus to the cytoplasm and synthesis of protein in ribosome. In some viruses, RNA acts as a genetic material and regulates the gene action. This is the mRNA, this is the rRNA, this is the tRNA, the types of RNA. Structure of RNA. RNA is like a DNA polynucleotide. RNA is either a single stranded or double stranded, but not a helical like a DNA. RNA हे सिंगल स्टँडर्ड आहे किंवा डबल स्टँडर्ड बी आहे, परंतु हे हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर नाही. इट इज लुक नॉट लाईक अ DNA. RNA nucleotide have a ribose sugar which is participate in the formation of sugar phosphate backbone of RNA. Nitrogen bases in RNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil, and thymine. In case of the DNA, uracil known as thymine. Thymine is, sorry, here thymine is absent in represented by uracil. In case of the RNA, पण DNA मध्ये इथे thymine असते. Usually RNA is a single stranded structure. This is a single stranded adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. In case of DNA, it is represented by thymine. Single stranded structure. RNA does not form any analogous double helical structure. अशा प्रकारचं हे डज नॉट फॉर्म हे स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करते RNA. RNA फॉर्म हेट्रोमेरिक डबल helix structure, heteromeric double structures of the form. Okay. Backbone is sugar and phosphate. Nitrogen base like sugar majority project to form of the backbone. Nitrogenous bases are linked to the pentose sugar through N-glycosidic linkage to form a nucleoside. Phosphate group is linked with 3'OH of nucleoside through phosphate ester linkage. Then nitrogen bases. Pyrimidines in RNA pyrimidine bases are of two types, that is the cytosine and uracil. These are single ring structure. They occupy less space in RNA structure. Pyrimidine is linked with the ribose sugar at position 3. And then purines, they are the same in the DNA, adenine and guanine. They are double ring compound. Okay, purine. They occupy more space in RNA and the ribose sugar link at position 9 of purine. Nitrogen bases, adenine, guanine, purine, pyrimidine, cytosine, uracil, RNA only cytosine, uracil. Okay. Ribose sugar, here in case the RNA contains ribose sugar which is pentose sugar. Ribose pentose sugar is one sugar. 5 carbon atom. Four carbon atoms are inside the ring. Fifth is CS2. Four, 1, 2, 3, 4 inside the ring and fifth outside lie. Okay, CS2 group will attach. This has a 4 OH group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 OH group. Hydrogen atoms are attached to carbon atom 1 to 4. The ribose sugar has OH group on carbon atom 2, whereas DNA has H group. DNA is ribose sugar only available. Okay. The phosphate group, the phosphate molecule is arranged in alternate manner to ribose sugar. Thus, there is a ribose sugar on both sides of phosphate. Phosphate is joined with carbon atom 3 of ribose at one side and with carbon atom 5 of ribose on other side. Nucleoside and nucleotides. Nucleoside means ribose sugar nitrogen bases. Nucleotide. Ribose sugar nitrogen bases. Okay. Nucleotide. Nucleoside plus phosphate. Nucleoside plus ribose sugar nitrogen base and phosphate nucleotide, and nucleoside means ribose sugar plus nitrogen bases. There are three types of RNA: tRNA, rRNA, mRNA. First of all, we discuss about the mRNA, also called as messenger RNA. Name it implies its name meaning, that is the message. It constitutes about 5 to 10% of the total cellular RNA. It is most heterogeneous in size and base of sequences. It is a single standard base of for complementary copy of one of the DNA strand of gene. It carry the genetic information. ये carry करते हैं mRNA carry the genetic information from nuclear DNA to cytoplasm for protein synthesis. It is also known as template RNA. Protein synthesis. The molecule weight of average molecule of mRNA is 5 lakh and its sedimentation coefficient is 8s. Okay, mRNA Loboni mRNA. Then ribose ribosomal RNA. It is found in ribosome in the cytoplasm. It is catalytic component. It is a catalytic component of ribosome. The size of the ribosome is expressed in terms of S unit based on the rate of sedimentation in an ultracentrifuges. It consists of about 80% of the total cellular RNA. The function of the rRNA is binding of mRNA and tRNA to ribosome in the cytoplasm. It's all about the ribosomal RNA. Then T stands for transfer RNA. It is also known as soluble RNA. याला soluble RNA असंही म्हटलं जाते. It constitutes about 10 to 15% of total RNA of the cell. It is a class of RNA which is small size of 3s type and generally have 70 to 90 nucleotides. The longest tRNA has 87 nucleotides. Its main function is to carry various types of amino acid. and attach them to mRNA template for synthesis of protein. It has a molecular weight of about 25,000 to 30,000 with sedimentation incubations of 3.8 years. These are tRNA, anticodons, amino acids, deforms, etc. Function, then lastly part, that is the function of RNA. RNA is synthesized by DNA for the transportation of genetic information to the protein building apparatus in the cell. प्रोटीन बनवण्याचं जे apparatus आहे, बिल्डिंग आहे, प्रोटीन तयार करायचं, तो कोणी आर एन ए आहे. आर एन ए also direct the synthesis of new protein using the genetic information it has transported. In mRNA, messenger RNA ribonucleotide acid is used to transfer genetic information through the plasma membrane. Okay, और क्या करते हैं, पास करते हैं. mRNA it carries genetic formation of DNA, a gene for protein synthesis from nucleus to ribosome in the form of genetic code. tRNA, it acts as an adapter molecule, carries amino acid and drop it to the particular location by recognized codon on mRNA by virtue of having anticodon. rRNA it make complex with protein and form ribosomal subunit which provide space for protein synthesis. Single ribosomal RNA of smaller subunit help correct orientation of mRNA during the attachment with respect to P and A site. Then snRNA play a significant role in eukaryotic mRNA processing by splicing of exon as a snRNA or CNRF U1, U2, U4, U5 and U6. It is all about the RNA and its type or chemistry of RNA. Thank you everyone.